bought this Stylrtop 11-tooth pulley. I don't know how you pronounce this, but it's right there in the description. It's an 11-tooth pulley that fits all Shimano and SRAM real derailleurs. My bike is equipped with a Shimano 105 11-speed drivetrain, so you may have difficulty with the wider replacement pulley. It is thicker by a few hundredths of an inch, so you may have issues on not seating the center bolts all the way. The solution I did was to dab the threads with a thread locker, so you'll have a peace of mind and not worry that the threads will unlock itself. My first impressions upon installing this pulley is that it doesn't drag anymore. The drivetrain is smooth, there are smooth transitions when you change gears, and most notably, of course, is the quietness of the drivetrain when you pedal forward at any speed. So this is kind of a plus for me. So this is a very good addition to your bike if you want to upgrade some of the things, for about $20. It's kind of cheap, relatively cheap, so you could buy it anywhere in either eBay or Amazon. So I'm pedaling my bike right now, so my speed is about 10 miles an hour, and as you can hear, there's not much strain on the chain, so there's not much rubbing sound, if you may. So this is kind of a good investment on my part. For $20 you could easily change your pulleys from the regular resin bearings to a sealed bearing cartridge pulley. For ease of installation, I gave this 3 out of 3 stars. Very easy to install. Value for money, I gave this 3 out of 3 stars. At $14, it's a steal. Functionality, 2 out of 3 stars. Why? Because this is suitable for 8, 9, 10 speed drivetrains, and you may have fitting problems for an 11-speed system. It can be done, but you may need to check the tightness of the bolt holding the pulleys occasionally. Thank you for watching this review. I will put the links to where to buy these pulleys. Remember, I'm not sponsored by the seller. This is just an independent review. Thank you for watching.